Hello people, welcome back, City Hunters. Today we're in Gran Canaria at the Blue Bay Resort Beach Club Hotel. So it's time for a new room tour. So let's go and I'm gonna show you our room. So our number is 602 and right in front of me you'll see the magic door. Over here you can see 602. This is light, I don't know for what. So let me get the pass in the locker and the door is open. Ta-da! Okay, this first of all, the most important thing is let me put the card in the box, and then after closing the door, let me see what's this. Okay, so this is a sleeping room. What have you got here? You'll see a window with me. Hi. Over here you'll see a bed with some towels, light, a fan, and does the fan work? Let me see, the lights are working. I am not sure if one of these are the buttons. Is this? Yes, this is it. So look man, this is really old school. So this is a fan for people who don't know. Yes, we also got fans in in Gran Canaria. So this is a drawer, a big drawer, or at least where you can put your clothes in. That's me again. It's hot, so let's move on. A small table, and if we move forward, a scenery. What's next? This is the bathroom. Let us go inside. So once again, there you'll see me. You've got two places where you can brush your teeth or wash your hands, face, and all that stuff. This is, I have no idea what this is. This is shampoo. So yes, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Yes, so shampoo in, I think that's in Spanish then, I'm not sure. And what is this? This should be then a gel. I don't know, I think this is a conditioner, but I'm not sure. So these are the things. We got a hair dryer. Over here you got a thing where you can wash your feet. So in most of the countries you got, well, where it's hot, then you got these kind of stuff. The toilet, of course. And what is this? This is a shower, so that's great. We got a shower here. The space is alright, to be honest. And you've got a bath. So you've got two things, a bath and a shower. So that's the bathroom and the toilet, of course. So let's move on. And then this is the main living room with a table, with a sofa, of course, and a really old school phone. I don't think we will find them in Holland now. TV as well, and over there you'll find a small kitchen, which is enough, to be honest, if you're with a small family. And then the main highlight of this room is the balcony. So let me guys show you first of all what the highlight is. Just look at this, man. Look at this. So all of this is the Blue Bay Beach Club, and downstairs you'll find a swimming pool, and over there you've got the sea and the beach area, which is not busy at the moment, but you've got some other beaches. and downstairs the beautiful palm trees, and over here look how big this balcony is, man. I mean, we can sit here, we can chill all night, all day if we want here. And yeah, look. So yeah, this is, I think, the main highlight, the view. Yeah, can I zoom in? No, I can't zoom in at the moment, but I'll show you guys, I'll give you guys another tour of this hotel, and then you can see the rest of this hotel as well. So this is it for now. Maybe I'll vlog the hotel as well in this video, and if not, then I'll make another vlog with the hotel tour. Thanks for watching, and if you did like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you later. Peace.